Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Today, 3 Dahlia tubers arrived from Amazon. This is a next day delivery, prime, which is great. It's called My Love. It's a white cactus variety. And Humphrey's Garden, I think, that you purchased from. Let me get them all out. Just show you what we got here. These are really good quality. I'm so pleased with these. So these came wrapped in 2 boxes, like so, from Amazon. Paper, no plastic at all, which is absolutely brilliant, which means they do not sweat when they're being transported. Just want to show you the difference. These were the ones from Wilco, which there's no sign of life on any of them yet. Whereas these ones from Humphreys, from Amazon, next day, some growth there. Beautiful growth there, and the stems are solid. Even this one where you can't see any growth, the stem is still solid. So I've done a name tag. Dahlia My Love White Cactus Variety. What we're going to do then is just move these off. Put them to one side. This is a peat-free compost, really good quality. Just want to get it levelled out roughly. Then all we're going to do is a little indentation. What you want to be planting is, this is the stalk, see it here, and there's the new growth. So you want to just get these tubers, fan them out like so, and then just fill in round them. Don't want to cover them. A tray this size, 3 should be spot on. Give it a little like so, and then we can one in the middle. That's a 3. 3 I think is spot on for this size tray. But you see, brilliant new growth there. Once that's been done like so, what we're going to do then is just a little bit of water. You don't want to mess it up. Just round the tubers. These then, this will go to bench pins, which are here. Don't know if you just see. First looping coming through there. Brilliant. So yeah, unboxing my white cactus, My Love Dahlia tubers from Amazon. Like I said, I can't recommend these enough. Night and day comparison, just the colour, the health, everything. That's been done nice. So we should put this over here. This has got some bottom heat, this one, which is great. Yes. That's better. And that is spot on. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like these videos, please subscribe, and as always, everybody's keeping safe. So that's unboxing Dahlia tubers from Amazon. Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.